but say wote ho na o say me de me nya bi ndiye inti yempam obi na me medibi papa we de on release ska inti yempam no obi medibi na obe put that ahead of the country's service interest me kwesi apia ya de Dominic kubet me asere na meboa na nenu ama meboa sabi enye free education e ba ya anka eyi sabi eyi gas ya wo mu hu wayi o man pele na nso oban ni ade anka ye de o mu gina dentuom ebi nu kura wuram ne ebi ye mango asini na ye ni won ade enya Ghana na minyini ye yemfa ya nkwa hwede mfom ni na nkodi ye but young girl fine girl anko wo future pa na ne nyem ya de anya ya de ya koko na gini ni na ewu na oni be ma ya koko ko wa oni ya koko ko wa obebo bra oni ya koko ko wa obetumi abobra wasiafo ne nyansa ho ye kire mo so anama begire oni mu jimi onyame hwemo. Now let me talk briefly about this thing about rented demonstrators. Martin Pebu Jimmy Fuane say obema yen 1.5 million demonstrators. Obi say we the northern youth appreciate free education. Onyame nhyira o. Osio de say nipa we beba omo enya. Adia no osha the way ya TV3 for gina mu hey ochina the whole Ghana is coming out. Hey come here boy. Na MPP for ABO. And a Ghana for a 10 crime. Actually, NDC for say, yes, near me more day. We know. But at least Papa na ye person only ye bekasa no. Only ya kasa. Has you be local boy and kasa. Papa na ni ye hwe nanim so only ye bekasa no. Only ya bekasa. Ansa no bekasa no. Mo se mo kromfo no ma ni ye bekasa. Wo ba ya de ayenim dada na no san beka wa ma ye solution ba akupo. Say papa we aba bekasa. Adan na mekwa bie me store. Na menya customers be 10 bi at least menya me dan ka free mu no. Me kodi Martin Pebu o parliamentarian na year di. Ena na kam de budget ne to a eda me page no so by the way. Eduwa kodi ska free mahama ho. Yes. Akodi ska eda free mahama ho say what they call demonstration. To dike say yen no trade minister na wa lunch remante wo ho a na wo dike wo say what the party for abeka MPP for winti no yen trade minister odike akwasi odike wo odike na na kwa me kura pewabo na kwa me ono Canada ha no wo o se dem UBG eno ho so ono ne secretary say dem nam Canada ha wono kura pewabo odike ana Ghana for say yes it is true ni amemo ayeden. Yes, it is true. Say but the man we were expecting to talk to us, no ya bekasa. Na wakasa ye man the time. Enti ye de ye beko den, ye beko ye adwuma. Na ya kosoa ye adwuma na ya hwe se ne amani be den be sesa. Aden na menko she t-shirt. And may demonstration. And one on start here. Everybody please come out. There is 65% interest that the people not want a, so please come out. Everybody, I don't have a neck, but come out. Me ko den ye be ko ye adwuma. Na ya kosoa ye adwuma na ya hwe se ne amani be den be sesa. Aden na menko she t-shirt. And may demonstration. And one on start here. Everybody please come out. There is 65% interest that the people not want a, so please come out. Everybody, I don't have a neck, but come out. Me ko ni na hira. Mumbabu ami o na de na jinsem. Say they mean to me o. And this phone na mama wu. E one year start to coffre. You know. Sa foolish guy we friend say shady media say why me boa. Say ono na ye contractor. A disappointed deportee. He says so person wu Jimmy a obe organize boy somehow. Now oni omuni na akọ. He said the Ghana. Babunu na nanka sebe ye pese onumbo ebenya TVET free education kono sa babunu numbo evrade yankopon pa se Ghana oh uni for me This is what I believe. Or this is what I think. Say free education. Oh, say etokoso. I'm telling you, NDC will be found wanting. They will be found very, very, very well. Okay? Ghanaians showed something small to NDC people. Now, show me. Let me tell you something. There are some people I speak with them and they tell you, oh, Bra Felix, no correct. I mean, near me more than kakra, but they compare the first now. And that dear a yakakra. Oh, just says he say no, NDC for no do watching winter. I didn't enter Sakra. Almost a sanity. NDC for the watching winter. No, I didn't enter Sakra. Almost a sanity. But that doesn't mean say we are going to what? We are going to sit down and give our votes to NDC. One nurse friend that I have was a question to GD pass a Ghana for better Maham. Maybe I'm the different candidates, but they are. But Mahama apparently, I don't think say they will vote for Mahama say on BDN because come on, I see what did the man do? I was a nurse, I couldn't get my pay. I was this, I couldn't get this. Like this man didn't do anything. Also on my sometimes who send Crawford Bo Mahamedian say now come Jenny Sanka by now there and come be fan name be a grumu. But I say Mahama it pains say anytime be you like talk about NDC and the only option it seems they have is Mahama. And we have his hand records. We saw what he did. We even thought, say, or got na opposition kakri and kenyansa kakraba sebe. But also there be oba obe jaya ifo no galem say for na gum. No mo fa mercury enko huru susuo no say yensuo na yenuanom nko wo. No mo omomba enkonya deformity. Or say I feel cry the campaign for no crown or the excavated. This is somebody who has been a president too. And his only reason for doing this, they say, ye Chinese for now, na ye jao. Say, you are a president too. Have you forgotten? When you caught the same people, Utie, when you caught the same Chinese people, Mahama, what did you do with them? Did you also let them go? Did you give some of them long stays? In this I say we no much no mujao and now we have where the president da. I don't get it. Papa Burger on Accra FM. Accra FM now be free Jimmy for radio station. I say remember me day. Oh, where delete it? Me me try CD. Oh nyahwe me try CD kra me pe. Arabana mu no say apro wewu mana pro tinetwa asidi anyahwe ye de nyame asese wo maame wonu oni twa asidi ni bi no ye bodamfo na sebe wode ne de ato na pampam chema NDC fo polling station agent fo ne du maame wo mo nko an no de bibi sa beba ke oye domo oba wie foolishly on somebody platform, especially when he's telling you the truth. Government is going to change your life. It is a lie. Government only brings policies. Government only brings policies. So it is up to you, the responsible citizenry, to tap into those policies, transform your fucking life. When Jimmy Dodo, Okoka ni eja, Okoka ni etuho ni eja. Asamwa mi kensu ni na ye no kure. Sabi, chairman, kamiye na kamiya na makontrol bibi na me kind NCDA. Obe bra obwa.